उम्मीद और आज मैं कवर अप करने आई हूँ PU Tech 2025। PU Tech में आज हम बहुत कुछ एक्सप्लोर करेंगे, रॉ मटेरियल्स के बारे में, इक्विपमेंट्स के बारे में, मशीन्स के बारे में, केमिकल्स के बारे में, बेसिकली कि किस तरीके से इंडस्ट्रीज को रॉ मटेरियल्स प्रोवाइड की जाती है, चाहे वो फोम की बात करूँ मैं या फुटवेयर कंपनी को या फिर ऑटोमोबाइल कंपनी की। तो चलिए बिना देरी के मैं आपको अंदर लेकर चलती हूँ और हम बहुत सारे ब्रांड्स और इनके इंटरव्यूज लेंगे और साथ ही साथ इनके बूथ एक्सप्लोर करेंगे। सो कम विद मी। मैं अभी हूँ RP Foam एंड Home Private Limited के बूथ में। मेरे साथ है मिस्टर गौरव और ये है वाइस प्रेसिडेंट ओवर हियर। सर मुझे ये जानना है कि बेसिकली आपका ब्रांड किस बारे में और किस टाइप की कंपनी है ये?
See, RP Foam Home Pvt Ltd, it's a 37 years old company and we are based out of Delhi, as well as we are having a plant in Gautam Budh Nagar, Dadri area. So we are predominantly the leading manufacturers of all kind of PU foam, which is called as PolyUrethane foam, which is like we have for all kind of applications as far as the PU foams are concerned. And we are the leading manufacturers of mattresses in the name of Dreams, as well as Featherlux. And we are into the furnishing category also with the memory pillows and the fiber pillows also. So as far as the company is concerned, we are like catering to all the needs of the manufacturers, those who are into all kind of industrial foams. If I say, for example, the automobile industry, as far as the other general industries are concerned, we are catering to all the requirements where the polyurethane foams are used for different kind of applications.
Okay.
So we are manufacturing, we are into the manufacturing of all kind of luxury foams, ultra luxury foams, and the commercial grade foams.
Okay.
So as far as our overall capacity is concerned, we are doing on an average of around 2,000 tons of polyurethane production in a month's time.
Okay.
And we have a massive production capacity of all kind of mattresses, and we are having say around 60 SKUs as of now as far as the mattresses are concerned.
Okay.
So we are covering all the dealers, what we call as our business partners, those who are selling the mattresses products, the furnishing products, and we are catering to all the leading furnishing counters of entire India, as divided into 4 zones: North India, West India, East India, and South India.
That's great. So do you have you launched anything right now new?
Yes. So we have just launched in the PU Tech, because it's a big platform for us. and we have launched in the name of Luxuria and Luxuria Firm. Both the mattresses is having 25 years of guarantee.
Okay.
So people can buy it online on dreamsmattress.in, and we are soon going to launch it on the online platform also. So the mattresses with the high quality dense PU foam, it's going to last for 25 years.
Okay.
Yes.
So the last question, the last but not the least, basically, what exactly message you wanted to give to the audience who are not a part of PU Tech right now, और आप अपने brand के बारे में exactly क्या बोलना चाहेंगे उन्हें?
See, as far as our brand is concerned, we believe in giving all kind of comfort as per the expectations which the customers want to have from any furnishing product. So as far as our mattresses are concerned, entire range we give the complete comfort and elegance. And plus the message which I want to give from PU Tech is like I think everybody should participate as far as their products are concerned, like be it polyurethane foam, mattresses, furnishing products. And I would suggest that the people who are there in the market, those who are selling these products, should also visit PU Tech, so that they will come to know about the new brands, new companies, new technologies which has been introduced by different companies in PU Tech.
Okay. Thank you so much, Rex Media से बात करने के लिए. Thanks a lot.
Thank you so much.
अभी मुझे कुछ नए फ्रेंड्स मिले हैं रांची से, एंड सर आई जस्ट वांटेड टू नो फ्रॉम यू कि कैसा एक्सपीरियंस रहा पीयू का और किस पर्पस के लिए आप यहाँ पर आए थे?
हम लोग बेसिकली आर्किटेक्चरल एलिमेंट्स में डील करते हैं. वी आर मेकिंग दिस. हम लोग FRP में बनाते हैं और GRC में. तो हम लोग PU में बनाने के लिए अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ देखने आए थे, हाउ इट कैन बी डन, और उसके जो रिलेटेड केमिकल्स, मशीनरीज, और हमें बहुत कुछ रिलेटेड मिला भी यहाँ पे.
ओके सर, PU टेक बेसिकली किस टाइप की एग्जीबिशन थी, आप बता सकते हैं कुछ वर्ड्स में?
PU टेक हम लोग एक्चुअली क्या, हम लोग इससे बहुत नोन नहीं है, लेकिन हम लोग क्या नया बिजनेस एक्सप्लोर के हिसाब से इस प्रोडक्ट के लिए जानकारी के लिए आए थे.
अगर जो ऑडियंस यहाँ पर जो नहीं आई है PU टेक में, उन्हें कुछ मैसेज देना चाहेंगे PU टेक के बारे में?
जो भी PU इंडस्ट्री में, चाहे फोम इंडस्ट्री में हो, शूज़ इंडस्ट्री में हो, सीट इंडस्ट्री में हो, उन्हें ज़रूर विजिट करना चाहिए. काफ़ी फ़ायदा रहता है, बहुत बढ़िया नेटवर्किंग होती है, कई लोगों से मिलना होता है, और जो लेटेस्ट ट्रेंड है इंडस्ट्री में वो हमें पता चलता है, क्योंकि यहाँ पे नॉट ओनली इंडियंस, फॉरेन के भी बहुत कंपनीज यहाँ आ रखी है. बहुत फ़ायदा डेफिनेटली.
लास्ट क्वेश्चन बट नॉट द लीस्ट, बेसिकली आप बहुत सारे एग्जीबिशंस एंड एक्सपो कवर करते होंगे, राइट? सो आप कुछ एग्जीबिशन से एक्सपो के बारे में क्या कहना चाहेंगे? किसी भी एग्जीबिशन की, लाइक वो किस टाइप से होते हैं और वो कितना बेनिफिशियल होता है किसी के लिए?
बहुत बेनिफिशियल है. नए नए इनोवेटिव आइडियाज़ मिलते हैं, नए नए प्रोडक्ट देखने को मिलते हैं. एग्जीबिशन हमेशा मतलब अच्छी गेन के लिए अच्छी चीज़ है. वी आर ऑल्सो, हम एक एग्जीबिशन लगाते हैं हम लोग भी यहाँ इंडिया एक्सपो सेंटर में. हमारा अगस्त में एक एग्जीबिशन होता है टेंट एंड डेकोर एशिया का. वी आर ऑल्सो एग्जीबिटर इन दैट.
ओके, दैट्स ग्रेट. सो थैंक यू सो मच सर एक्सपो मीडिया से बात करने. थैंक्स अ लॉट. कॉइम के बूथ में मेरे साथ हैं MD and the CEO. So I just wanted to know from you people that what exactly Coim is all about and which type of company it is. A bit quick introduction.
Yeah, thank you very much for interviewing us. It's a pleasure. Coim is a multinational company. It is an Italian company with several sites around the world. We are in Europe for sure, and we are also in North America, United States. We are in Latin America. We are in Singapore area in India with production unit. Coim is mainly a producer of polyurethane and everything related to polyurethane, starting from polyols, polyester polyols mainly, and also final system for adhesives, for footwear, for outcast elastomer. We have a quite wide range of products, and overall we have almost 18 business line, and most of them are in the polyurethane world. We are here in India since 13 years almost. And India at the very beginning was for us mainly footwear, but world is changing, and also in India the business is changing, and nowadays we are also trying to do something more, not just footwear. Nowadays we are importing material from Singapore mainly for the rest of the group. We have a local production, and we have some plan to implement a new production here in India, because we see India as the most growing country of the world, let's say, in terms of percentage or also in terms of value. So it makes sense to be here, and it makes sense to be here in the right way, and this is the scope of the next future for us.
That's great. I just wanted to know from you what exactly products and services you're giving to your audience right now, and who are your target audience?
Right, thank you so much. So Coim, as Giuseppe mentioned, we are into 18 product lines, and in India specifically we are very strong foothold in footwear. We also have a sizable market in flexible packaging, and we also cater to something called as a thermoplastic urethane TPU that goes to diverse application, along with cast PU, which is into again a diverse application. So you look at the customer base and every day in day-to-day life, it starts from automotive to footwear to flexible packaging, the way you eat, way you handle your food. So everything kind of Coim touch bases every day of your life that we are into, maybe in some amount of value chain here and there.
That's great. So the last question from both of you, that how's the experience of PU Tech, and any message you wanted to give to the audience who are not a part of PU Tech about the Coim and the PU Tech?
Yeah, I was here 2 years ago, and let me say that today it seems much better than 2 years ago, frankly speaking. More people, more interest, maybe also this duties war is changing a bit the scenario. And of course, the scope for us to be here is to deliver our message, that is, we are here. We are here in terms of products, in terms of development, and we are here in terms of partnership with our customers. We trust in our customers, and we want they trust in us, because we are just not a day-by-day guy, but we want to be a long-term partner for all their development. We are here, and in case of need, let's call us.
What about you, sir?
Right, I think just to add to what Giuseppe mentioned, so I would say that we are committed to grow in India. India, as you know, is a hotbed for any markets amongst all the developing countries is concerned. At the same end, we are investing in people. People are biggest resource that we see. We are looking at attracting talent, and that's where we look at building our entire network. So given the fact that 13 years now, we look at the next 13 years to be scaling up to what we have done so far exponentially.
Thank you so much, sir, for interacting with Expo Media English. Thanks a lot.
Do it.
बने रहने के लिए। आई होप आपने काफ़ी कुछ चीज़ें एक्सप्लोर की होगी PU टेक में। अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो प्लीज़ लाइक करना, अपने लव वंस को शेयर करना एंड हमें सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलना, एक्सपो मीडिया हिंदी और इंग्लिश को। हमारे एक इंस्टाग्राम चैनल expo.media.tv, आप हमें वहाँ पे भी जाके फॉलो कर सकते हैं, सो दैट आप सारे लेटेस्ट अपडेट्स और इन्फॉर्मेशन आप वहाँ पे जाके चेकआउट कर सकते हैं। थैंक यू सो मच।